God said to Jonah, "Go to the great city of Nineveh and preach." Jonah did not want to follow God's will because he hated Nineveh. He ran away from God and went aboard the ship to Tarshish. Then God sent a great wind on the sea. The ship was about to break up in a violent storm. All the sailors were afraid and each cried out to his own God. They threw the cargo into the sea to lighten the ship. But Jonah had gone below deck, where he lay down and fell into a deep sleep. The captain went to him and asked for his help, but was surprised to know that Jonah was running away from God. Jonah said to the sailors, "I know that it is all because of my fault. Throw me into the sea, and it will become calm." So they took Jonah and threw him overboard. The raging sea grew calm. God sent a great fish to swallow Jonah. Jonah was inside the fish for 3 days and 3 nights. He prayed to God about his situation. God commanded the fish to vomit Jonah onto dry land. God said to Jonah again, "Go to the great city of Nineveh and proclaim to it the message I gave you."